Hello my dear students, I welcome you all in today's session. Today we are going to discuss fourth part, right? See here, I think we have already covered all the three parts, right? So let's start with fourth part. See, a train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed, right? What is it telling? A train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed, right? If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more, right? 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. Is it clear to all of you? See, what is asked? The speed of the train, right? So first of all, we are going to take the speed of train is let the speed of train, let the speed of train equal to x kilometer per hour, right? Because all things are given in kilometer and this is also in hour. So I am taking the speed as x kilometer per hour. Is it clear to all guys? Okay. Then what is next is given? A train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. So time taken to cover 480 kilometers with x kilometer per hour is equal to, what is the time? Distance divided by speed, right? So it will be 480 upon x hours. So what is the time taken to cover 480 kilometer? So it will be 480 divided by x hours. Is it clear to all? Okay. So I am taking the speed of train be x kilometer per hour and distance is 480 kilometer. So the time taken to cover 480 kilometer will be 480 divided by x hours. Is it clear to all guys? Okay. So now the next what is given? If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, if the speed 8 km per hour less, right? See, what is the original speed? It is x km per hour. If it would be 8 km per hour less, so how much is the speed? So initially it is x and if it is 8 km per hour less, so it will be x minus 8 km per hour, right? See, so if the speed is x minus 8 km per hour, so what is the time? Time taken to cover, so time taken to cover 480 kilometers, right, will be how much? So the distance is 480 kilometer and the speed is x minus 8. So this much hours, right? So in second case, when the speed is x minus 8 km per hour, then the time taken will be how much? 480 divided by x minus 8. Is it clear to all guys? Okay. Then what is given? If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance, right? It means what? See, this time is means 480 divided by x minus 8 is 3 hours more than the previous time, right? Or you can say, just make the simplification, 480 upon x minus 8 minus 480 upon x, and this is equal to 3. Now we have to just simplify it. See here, I am taking 480 common, So this is 1 divided by x minus 8 minus 1 by x, and this is 3, right? We just cut 3, it will be 160 C. So 160 1 by x minus 8 minus 1 by x, and this will give 1, right? Or you can say 160, the LCM is x minus 8 and it is x, right? See here, this is x minus x plus 8, and this will give 1. Is it clear to all, guys? X cancel out. 160 multiplied by 8, so it will be 16 8 ja 128, and this is 0, right? Divided by x into x minus 8 into x, so it will be x square minus 8x, and this is equal to 1. Or you can say x square minus 8x is equal to 1280, and from here we can write x square minus 8x minus 1280 equals to 0, right? So now we have expressed it in terms of a quadratic equation, right? Because here is the maximum power of variable is 2, which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a we are having is a here is coefficient of x square, that is 1. What is b? Coefficient of x, that is minus 8, and what is c? C is the constant term, so the value of c here is minus 1280, right? So I think this this part is, fourth part is clear to all of you. This is a very good question. See here, first speed I have taken, after that I have calculated the time. If the speed would be 8 km per hour less, in that time I have calculated, and this time is 3 hours more than the previous time, right? So all the conditions I have taken, and after that I have derived a quadratic equation. I think solution is clear to all of you. Okay, so the next question I am going to discuss in the next video. Keep watching, and if you have not subscribed the channel, please do subscribe and comment also. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Keep watching. Thank you.